Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is the UDOT Construction Update. This Memorial Day weekend marks the first holiday of the summer. We expect to see heavy traffic as people hit the road all across the state. Drivers along the Wasatch Front should plan for major delays of up to 90 minutes during commute hours on both Thursday and Friday. Traffic will start building around 1 p.m., start to taper off about 7:30 each night. Then on Monday, the heaviest traffic is expected along the Wasatch Front from 3 to 7 p.m. And further south, I-15 stays busier than normal from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So really all day, busy travel holiday. Keep in mind, some of our construction projects will still have traffic shifts, lane closures, or speed limit reductions in place. Now these include the I-15 Technology Corridor in Lehigh and I-70 from the I-15 junction to US 89 in Sevier County. So plan ahead, leave early, or stay on your trip a little bit longer. You can track all incidents and delays by using the UDOT Traffic app and Twitter. Starting next week in West Jordan, Bangerter Highway will be down to 2 lanes in both directions 24 hours a day from 90th South to 7800 South. Now these lane closures start Tuesday morning and will continue through July. The heavy delays are expected during the morning and evening commutes, so you'll want to plan ahead and use an alternate route. Our crews are building a new freeway-style interchange on Bangerter Highway at 90th South. And in Tooele County, a project is underway to replace several bridges on I-80 and SR-36. Starting Wednesday, I-80 will be down to 1 lane in each direction just east of the SR-201 junction for 1 week. So you can plan ahead for delays during the commute hours. We're asking people to use 201 as an alternate route if you're heading to Salt Lake. Now to find out the latest on all of these construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT Traffic app.